Hi,
Hello.
this is Ranjit Sharma.
Hi, this is Jyoti Sharma, and this house at Eagleton 2102 belongs to us. Before buying this house, we've been seeing a lot of work Shivangi did and over the social media, and we used to follow her. We approached her, and we did a lot of discussion about going ahead, and we found her quite compatible and quite impressive to understand the concept we were talking about. And that's how we ended up giving this dream house of ours to Shivangi, that's ANS Designs. We have story for every wall which we have created in this house, and how the things have been executed.
The best part of Shivangi ma'am is that she knows the subject very well and the level of patience she is having. When we came up with the plan of getting the work done with ANS Design, we had a couple of discussion right from the scratch. We wanted a house which is having the harmony as well as the warmthness and the coziness in the house. Then they came up with an idea how the things are going, and the rest of the things is the finished part which you are better having a look of it. So according to me, it is not a house, it is a house where our heart lives. So each and every room, if you see, each and every room represents the individual nature and the personality of that person living in that room. So I would definitely appreciate Shivangi ma'am as well as her entire team of ANS to have to go into the depth of the person's nature and understanding his likes and dislikes. So I'll give a heads up to the entire team of ANS and to give them marvelous job. I can say that it's just a marvelous job.
Yeah. So definitely we would recommend you to give a thought on approaching Shivangi and Amit Fanse from ANS Designs to consider them for your new house, for your interior solutions. We would highly recommend to give a thought about it.
She is a businesswoman with a Midas touch. Thank you.
Thank you.